What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. To get started, open up a web browser and head to grammarly.com. Once the site loads, click on the login button at the top right. If you don't already have a Grammarly account, sign up, as you need to have an account to use Grammarly. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the Grammarly dashboard and click on Apps. Under this section, you will see an option to install Grammarly for Windows. Click to download the installer. After the file is downloaded, locate it in your browser's download bar or in your downloads folder and run the setup. Just follow the on-screen instructions and Grammarly will automatically sign you in if you're already logged in via the browser. Once installed, Grammarly integrates with Microsoft Word and every other app that supports writing text, such as WhatsApp and Notepad. Now, open Microsoft Word. When you start typing, Grammarly will automatically detect grammar and spelling issues in your document. Just click on any underlined word or sentence and Grammarly will show you suggestions with explanations to improve your writing. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.